Introducing Imagispace. With only one tool, anyone can build almost any wall anywhere they want. Imagispace is a unique building block system that allows you to quickly and easily construct high-quality walls that are reconfigurable and easily stored and transported. Imagiblocks disassemble and reassemble in minutes. Theaters, art galleries, retail stores, studios, office cubicles, window displays, or almost any set. Imagiwall can do it. Create versatile spaces with minimal effort and maximum savings. Imagiwalls allow for standard windows and doors to be placed in any position and can even accommodate pipe, electrical, and insulation. Imagispace unlocks your creativity and allows you to focus on design, not construction. Now anyone can build almost anything, anywhere. How will you use Imagispace?